Hello everyone, my name is Ives and today I got a totally different video on my channel. As you can see, I got this huge ass box behind me and I'm doing an unboxing today. As you can see, it is a chair and it is actually a Speedlink Regger gaming chair that I ordered a couple days ago. Didn't expect the box to be this huge, but you know, let's just get on with it and let's try to put it together without breaking it. Okay, so I got all the parts here. I just checked this this list here. It seems like I got all of the parts. So let's start building this thing, and let's actually see how hard it is. The old chair I built was pretty easy, and I gotta say this seems easier. I mean, it's like a puzzle. Just need to put the pieces together, but let's actually see how hard. I mean, it's a chair, how hard can it be? Let's just hope it's not too hard.
Lips, they tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. tasted like those cigarettes. Staring at the moon, we'd go to bed. In my arms, you're safe and sound, without a threat. And I can't wait to see what happens next. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit young, but I'm all in. We're still a little bit dumb, but I'm all in. If we sail a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low, a little bit high, a little bit low. I don't know any roads that lead us back home, and I don't know any roads that lead us back home. How far can we get if we sail a little bit high, a little bit low? I need
Okay, so after quite some time, more than I expected, this is the chair, as you can see here. I put everything I could. The one thing that I couldn't put is this plastic here that covers this metal. I don't even know if you can see that, but you can see that on the other side there's a piece of plastic that covers the metal that adjusts the angle of your chair, and I couldn't put that here because the zippers were right next to the metal and there's no room for plastic to sit in. Also, another thing is they've made holes very badly. Gonna actually put the picture up here of the holes. I actually had to use a knife to cut out a hole for each and every screw that I had to put in, so that took quite some time because I didn't want to just rip off all the leather, but I've checked it after I built the entire chair and you cannot see any damages like that. But it definitely isn't nice that you have to like cut open the hose. You can see that they tried to make the hose, but they did it very badly. I hope the chair isn't as bad as that. I've sat on it a little bit. It seems pretty good. It seems sturdy. It seems comfortable. I'm actually gonna do a review of the chair a couple of days after I've been using it for a couple of days, because obviously I just built it. I can't make a review now. Cushions are nice and everything. I think I'm gonna have to play around with those a little bit, and that's it. I mean, not much I can say. As I already said, building the chair felt a bit awkward, but hopefully it's gonna pay off. Hopefully the chair will be pretty good and it will be pretty good to game in it. It slides well, it turns well, nothing wrong with that. I've changed the angle a little bit. It changes nicely. you can adjust the height. I put it to the highest because I'm 6'5", which is 195 centimeters tall, and this chair is recommended up to 190 centimeters, so I'm a bit too tall for this chair, but I'm a bit too tall for every chair that I can afford, so yeah, I think this will have to do. Anyways, that's been it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
Do you believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Yeah, see him in the street struggling, young, dumb, and thugging, give a fuck about nothing.